Hi, I'm Robin Benzie. Welcome to Chow Time. On our recent trip to Slovenia, I learned something very interesting about food. They often use pumpkin seed oil as a salad dressing. And it was fantastic. So I started to do a little experimenting, coming up with different combinations. And well, this was the winner. I'm going to make the salad dressing first. So here is my pumpkin seed oil, and it's really good. As you can see, it's very dark. It's roasted pumpkin seeds. It's very nutty tasting. You can see it's thick too. So I want to put about 1/3 of a cup in that bowl. I want to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, and is this not the cutest little thing of honey you've ever seen? I'm going to use a couple of tablespoons of honey. Okay. I just whisk that all together. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to put my salad together. This is a kale salad. So I just filled this bowl with kale that I removed from the thick stems that it comes on. And the reason I like kale is because it's so crunchy and crispy, and it's also extremely good for you. It's bitter, so I want to add some great flavors. I've got a lot of dried cranberries. This is a good cup. I want to add that in there. I want to add a little creaminess, so I've got a good 1.25 cups of mozzarella cheese. At this point, I want to add my pumpkin oil dressing. And give it a good toss. And finally, one last ingredient to make it very special before we give it one final toss, and that is about 1 cup of roasted salted pepino nuts. That pumpkin oil is fantastic. You have to try pumpkin seed oil. All the other elements work with it so well. I've never had anything like this. And I can tell you this, I never went to the Cordon Bleu cooking school in Paris. I never studied at the Culinary Institute of America. I travel. I learn. And I share it with you.